Alvin Lagumbay.
Lagumbay is a former WBO.
WBO, wow.
Yes.
Lagumbay wearing the blue, white, and orange trunks, while Christian Laurente is wearing the white and pink trunks. Labanan po ito ng
Southpaw, labanan ng Southpaw.
labanan po ng dalawang Southpaw. This is by the lightweight bout, so malalaki po
Parang
ito.
ganda ng jab ni Pete Partner, parang pistol. Bang!
Kasi lalo na nakikita nyo to during training. Tignan nyo, tignan mo yung ayun, partner. Ayan, partner. I have nothing to say, partner, but he's really good. Malaki ang future ng fighter na ito.
Good straight from Laurente. Sobrang liksi ng jab ni jab ni footwork. Ganda. But Alvin, hindi natin alam, baka may game plan din siya. Pero tignan na natin. Speed.
Yan, so medyo na-outbalance na sila Lagumbay sa mga pure punches, mga kaibigan.
Ganda ng jab ni Pete dito, partner. At Lagumbay.
So this is a battle of both southpaws. So ang one of the partner, grabe partner, parang ayaw ko. So you can sense the anticipation of the crowd, partner. Nice. They are anticipating.
Nice 1-2 coming from Pete Laurente. Nice overhand. Nice overhand.
So natamaan din si Pete ng isang overhand left from Lagumbay.
Lagumbay.
So relax lang muna, relax lang daw. So ayan na, at within his corner, Pete Laurente is corner yung papa niya. Uy, napakagandang side step, partner. Twist side step.
Maka-intense to partner.
This round is all Pete Laurente.
Yes.
So, parang gusto mapakalawala ng but there must be changes, partner, dito sa ating boxing industry. Ayun! Wow! Uy! Grabe! Ayan na, partner! Ayun na!
Coming from Pete Laurente. Overhand.
Partner, ibang klase po ang reflexes and the speed and the timing of that. Ayun na! Yun na, ang leverage shot to the southpaw opponent. Problema kasi southpaw kay partner is yung liver mo ang na-expose una dahil sa
overhand na yun, partner. Coming from Mumbai. Uppercut. Change.
Nandito siya. Grabe na bali shot yun, partner. Rinig dito sa buong crowd. Grabe. So one of the pag southpaw ka kasi, partner, medyo malayo yung left hand mo doon sa sa kalaban ng liver kasi yung dominant hand mo unless if you are an orthodox fighter, madaling maabot ang liver kasi yun yung lead hand mo Yun! What good exchanges. Yun! Dalawa pakawala. Partner, we are seeing a very good fight.
Tapusin na ba